Hey guys, it's Paige. So we are here to talk about more topics relating to spirituality and self-development, stuff like that. I don't know, whatever I want to talk about really. So today we are going to be talking about crystals. I have a few with me here. Little cuties. This is an amethyst and this is a smoky quartz. Let's talk about it a little bit. I know that crystals can kind of be a taboo topic. People don't really understand them, but let me get this out of the way quick. So as we've talked about in past videos, everything is energy. Everything has a vibrational value to it. That being said, food, drink, things you're around, a blanket, your shirt, everything has a vibration going on with it. And they all are vibrating at different frequencies, which, like I said, talk to a science person if you need to know more about this. But everything has its own vibration. That being said, crystals are no different, but crystals are a little different in the way that they have certain qualities that the vibrations hold to them. So, for example, we have this rose quartz, if you can see that now. So rose quartz is all about like your heart chakra, about unconditional love. It's about compassion, things of that sort. So what I like to do when I use crystals and how I really got into frequently using crystals instead of just using them as like a decoration was to start using them more intentionally and to use them as a way to set my intentions throughout the day or for certain activities. So like I was talking about with that rose quartz, if I, let's say, was feeling just a little bit angry at my boyfriend or mad at my friend or something like that, I might grab that rose quartz and say, you know what, I choose love today. I'm going to intentionally choose love, even though I'm feeling these emotions that are not love. This is my way of saying, you know what, I'm going to rise above and intentionally choose that this is the emotion and this is the vibration that I will take on. Now you can take it a step further and, you know, put it on your heart, put it on the area that you know needs the love. But yeah, I mean, it's very helpful because I can feel the change, whether it be just me being able to get over something or the crystal doing it. I don't know. I think it's a little bit of both, but it's a really awesome tool to have. I find that the rose quartz is really helpful because most of the time a lot of us may be lacking that love outlook just because we're in a world that's me versus you. There's a lot of separation, so things like rose quartz can stop you doing that, I guess, so to speak. Or at least, you know, not stop you from doing it necessarily, but kind of give you more control over yourself because you're intentionally saying, I want to bring this vibration to me. And that's the thing is people use these for different ways. This is just how I use them and this is how I make use of them, and it works. It really does work for me. So, and another thing too is crystals are really not that expensive to buy. I'm actually really surprised. I got like 10 of them that are, you know, this size, like a part of the palm of my hand, and it was only like 20 bucks. So go off, whatever. But so I guess we can start with this one next to, this is the amethyst. So this one is so well known. I feel like anytime somebody talks about crystals, this is what people think of, especially when it comes to spirituality. You see a lot of amethyst. This is all about your third eye. Now, also if you think about it too, your third eye being right here would be an area that people frequent headaches sometimes, things like that. So this is really good for like stress relief. This is good for just getting peace and clarity and just, like I said, stress relief. I mean, this is a beautiful stone and it really can bring you a different vibration of relief. And a lot of the stones have a specific area of the body that they work with. So the rose quartz works with the heart chakra, like I said. Now this amethyst is what works with your third eye. So if you, like I said, wanted to put it there, you can be all hippy dippy with it when you're meditating or whatever you're doing. But like I said, consciously choosing to set your intention, and the crystal's vibration just makes it that one more step easier to get to where you want to be. Another one that I really love, not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but black tourmaline. So it's pretty pretty chill, but this stone is all about protection and ridding negativity. This has been really helpful. Just knowing that I have it around me most of the time knows that I am safe, I am protected, and once again creates that vibrational value within myself, which is the idea behind this. So one of my favorite crystals ever, I think this probably beats all of them just because your girl could use it, but this is the Smoky Quartz. So this is all about letting go and surrendering to the divine and just kind of releasing control. Now, let me tell you, I have a problem sometimes with being able to let things go and let myself just be in the universe. I'm a control freak, I'm a Virgo, I like things to be in order and I like to be the one to put them there. So it's really difficult for me to let go sometimes and to even want to set that intention because that's just not the flow that I normally have. Holding on to and meditating with a Smoky Quartz has really provided me just that reminder. Honestly, that's another thing, a crystal. It's a physical reminder of what you want for yourself and what you want to align with, because that's what I really found with crystals, and especially the Smoky Quartz. I used to walk with this every single day as I was releasing this old energy that was no longer serving me, and that was my focus for months. And this little guy has been through it. Charge him in the sunlight very often. There's a lot that can be said about it, and like I said, I get that this topic can be really taboo, and if you're super not into this stuff, you're gonna see this and be like, oh, it's a rock. Like, but you know what? Everything has as much magic as you give it. So, but I think that concludes my video on the topic, and I just want to summarize by saying that my whole point in using crystals is to set my intention and is to have a physical reminder and a vibrational reminder of what I want and what I'm trying to attract. So it's more readily available to me even in times that I don't necessarily feel that way. So I hope this helps. I hope that if you have any questions that you either ask me or you deep dive into this, because like I said, it's a beautiful topic. There's so much to learn. There's so many crystals out there. If these weren't something that, you know, seems helpful to you, I mean, there's so many options of things that you can get that help you increase your intuition, ones that help you with sexuality, expressing yourself, so many different things. Like, if you really need the help, they are here for you. So yeah, and they're beautiful. So if you're interested in deep diving into crystals, 100% recommend it, and let me know how you like it. Let me know what your favorite crystal is down below if you want to talk about it. I'm here to chat. So, but that being said, I'm gonna skedaddle, so I will talk to you guys in a later video. Thank you for watching. Bye.